We're going right to the boiler room. Oh, we're going like right on.
How many here? 3 rows. How many here? 2 rows. Yeah, it's like the same. My top row, put a little tap on your right hand side, please. The row, put a tap on this right hand side. My front row, put a little tap on your right hand side, please. Everyone hands up, hands all the way up. Perfect, that's gonna work for later. Hands up one, real quick, my friend. I do enjoy your stay, my dear guys.
Bye-bye.
If you need anything, just scream.
You are the passengers of the Millennium common elevator about to ascend into your very own episode of the Twilight Zone. One stormy night long ago, 5 people stepped through the door of an elevator into a nightmare. That door is opening once again. This time, it's opening for you. You are about to discover what lies beyond the 5th dimension, beyond the deepest, darkest corner of the imagination, in the Tower of Terror. A warm welcome back, those of you who made it, and a friendly word of warning, something you won't find in any guidebook. The next time you check into a deserted hotel in the dark side of Hollywood, make sure you know just what kind of vacancy you're filling, or you may find yourself a permanent resident of the Twilight Zone.
Hey, yo, are you like on something like another planet maybe? What are you even talking about? Like, just start the song. It's embarrassing. I'm sorry. Chip and Dale as well. Say bye, Chip and Dale. She's a really good girl. Thank you. We invite you to join do.
Thank you for the cookies.
Help me. Help me. Tomorrow. Alright, we'll be back here tomorrow. And the next day. And the next day. But we don't see you then. We hope you enjoy the rest of your day right here at Disney's Hollywood Studios. Thank you.
Flight engineer, repair test. Hit your flashing button. You'd better be faster when we get into real trouble. Right, pilot? Push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly up. And push forward to fly down. Weapons are online. Left pilot, hit the booster. Now let's go get that coaxial. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed. Yes, it's cooking! They've locked onto us. Take evasive action! There it is. After that train. Flight engineers, fire the harpoon. And pilot brakes. Good work. Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Power up the ship. Well, I can go axial. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Come on, let's get another container of coaxial. Pilot, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Get behind the train. Pilots, into the center. Shoot the train. Engineers, reel us closer. I thought you had it. Gunship. Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. We've got to get out of here. Yes, a distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. It's coming down. Yes, pilot. Hit the boosters. Boost, boost, boost. We made it. I don't believe it, but we made it. Now, let's get out. Great job, my friends. You retrieved one container of coaxial. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the first order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is, hey, not bad. All right, I'm making an executive decision. just me. Everybody out. Go on, get out.
All available techs, we have a Corellian freighter that needs immediate transport back to the maintenance bay. This thing's seen better days. Better fix all that before the Wookiee sees it.